Ever wondered how you can make millions with Airbnb? Well, let's dive right in. You see, Airbnb is more than just a website where you can book a charming little cottage for your weekend getaway. It's a gold mine, a treasure chest that's just waiting to be unlocked. The best part? This treasure chest is not limited to a select few. It's open to anyone with the right keys. Airbnb is a global marketplace that connects people who want to rent out their homes with people who are looking for accommodations. Since its inception in 2008, it has grown immensely popular, serving over 100 million guests in more than 200 countries and regions. But here's the real kicker. It's not just for travelers looking for a unique and personal experience. It's also for entrepreneurs, visionaries, dreamers, people just like you who are looking to turn their spare room or their second home into a profitable venture. Think about it. Every day, thousands of travelers are looking for a comfortable, affordable, and unique place to stay. And every day, there are homeowners with empty rooms and vacant homes. Airbnb bridges this gap, creating a win-win situation for both parties. The potential to make millions through Airbnb is real. There are hosts out there who have turned their Airbnb side gig into a full-time business, raking in 6 or even 7 figures a year. They started just like you, with a spare room or a second home, and they transformed it into a money-making machine. But here's the thing. Making millions on Airbnb is not about luck. It's not about being in the right place at the right time, and it's about having the right strategies, the right mindset, and the right tools. Now you must be thinking, how can I make this happen? Don't worry, we've got you covered. So you've decided to join the Airbnb community. Great, but where do you begin? Well, the first step on our millionaire journey is setting up your space. Your space is more than just a place to sleep. It's an experience, a memory in the making for your guests. Location is key. It's not just about being in the heart of the city or by the beach. It's about understanding what's unique about your location and how that can attract guests. Maybe you're near an underrated hiking trail, a hidden gem of a restaurant, or a popular event venue. Highlight what makes your location stand out. Next up, amenities. Think about what you would want as a guest. A comfortable bed, fast Wi-Fi, a stocked kitchen. These are essential, but what about those extras that can make a stay memorable? A library of local guides, a well-curated movie selection, or even a cozy fireplace can make your guest stay feel like a home away from home. Now let's talk decoration. This is your chance to tell a story with your space. Is it a chic city loft, a rustic cabin, or a Zen retreat? Use your decor to enhance the narrative of your space. No need to break the bank here. A few well-chosen pieces can make a big difference. But all your efforts will be in vain if you don't capture them in the right light. High-quality photos are crucial. They're the first thing a potential guest sees and can be the deciding factor between a booking or a pass. So invest in a good camera or a professional photographer. So there you have it. Setting up your space is all about creating an experience, a home away from home. It's about finding that sweet spot between comfort and character, between practical and memorable. And remember, your space isn't just a product, it's a promise of an unforgettable stay. A well-presented property is your ticket to attracting potential guests. Remember, first impressions last. Now that you've got a stunning space, how much should you charge? This question often stirs up a whirlwind of uncertainty. But fear not, because we're here to lay out a roadmap for you. Let's dive into the second step of running a successful Airbnb venture, setting competitive prices and effective marketing. First off, understanding your market is key. Look around at your competitors. What are they charging for similar spaces in your area? Don't just go by the nightly rate. Consider the whole package, the amenities, the location, the unique features. This will give you an idea of where to start with your pricing. Now you might be thinking, but I want to make a fortune, not just match the competition. Well, that's where Airbnb's pricing tools come into play. They have a smart pricing feature that adjusts your prices based on demand. Say there's a big event in town or it's peak tourist season. Airbnb's tool will automatically increase your prices to maximize your profits. But remember, a high price tag alone won't bring in the guests. That's where effective marketing strategies kick in. It's not enough to just list your property. You need to sell an experience. And how do you do that? Through compelling descriptions, high-quality photos, and highlighting what makes your property unique. Social media is also a powerful tool for promoting your listings. A well-curated Instagram feed or a Facebook page can work wonders in building up your property's visibility. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and foster a community around your Airbnb. It's not just about attracting guests, it's about building a brand. Keep in mind, though, that pricing and marketing are not one-off tasks. They require ongoing attention and adjustment. As your business grows and the market changes, you'll need to revisit your strategies and tweak as needed. Pricing and marketing are the backbone of your Airbnb business. Get these right and you're halfway there. So, buckle up and get ready to ride the wave of success with your Airbnb venture. You've got a beautiful space, competitive pricing, and a solid marketing strategy. What's next? Well, folks, we're diving into the third crucial step to Airbnb success: providing exemplary customer service. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a concierge at a 5-star hotel, so why does this matter? Here's why. Your guests are not just paying for a place to sleep. They're investing in an experience, and you, my friends, are the maestro of that experience. Let's talk about communication first. This starts even before your guests step foot in your property. Answer their queries promptly, give them clear instructions on how to check in, and be available for any questions they might have during their stay. Remember, clear and prompt communication can make a world of difference in your guests' experience and their perception of you as a host. Next, cleanliness. Now, this might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many hosts overlook this. Treat your Airbnb property like you treat your own home, or better yet, like a luxury hotel suite. Clean sheets, sparkling bathrooms, dust-free surfaces. These are non-negotiable. A clean space not only shows respect for your guests, but also sets a high standard for your listing. Finally, let's talk about going the extra mile. This doesn't mean you need to roll out the red carpet or offer a bottle of champagne to every guest. It could be as simple as a handwritten welcome note, a guidebook of local attractions, or a small gift to make them feel at home. These thoughtful touches can turn a good stay into an unforgettable one, and can often lead to those glowing 5-star reviews. Because here's the thing, happy guests mean positive reviews, and positive reviews mean more bookings. So whether it's a prompt response, a spotless kitchen, or a surprise box of chocolates, always aim to exceed expectations. Providing exemplary customer service isn't just about being a good host. It's about creating a memorable experience that guests will rave about long after they've checked out. Happy guests mean positive reviews, and positive reviews mean more bookings, so always aim to exceed expectations. You're doing great, but how do you take your Airbnb business to the next level? Well, my friend, the final step to multiplying your profits is scaling your business. Now, what does that mean exactly? Scaling is all about expansion and efficiency. It's about growing your Airbnb empire while ensuring your operations run smoothly, even when you're not there. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But how do we make this dream a reality? First, consider hiring a property manager. They can handle the day-to-day operations, freeing up your time to focus on the big picture. They can manage bookings, handle maintenance issues, and ensure your guests have a fantastic stay. It's like having a reliable captain steering your ship while you map out the course. Next, streamline your processes. Look into automating tasks such as cleaning schedules, key exchanges, and communication with guests. There are plenty of tools out there that can help you do this. Remember, time saved is money earned. And finally, when you're ready, expand your property portfolio. Start small, perhaps with another property in the same area. As you gain confidence, you can venture out to other locations, maybe even overseas. More properties mean more income streams. Scaling is the secret sauce to making millions with Airbnb. It's a journey, but with dedication, you can get there. So folks, gear up and get ready to scale new heights in your Airbnb business. And there you have it, the roadmap to making millions with Airbnb. We've unveiled the millionaire's secret, shown you how to set up your space, market it, price it right, deliver top-notch customer service, and scale your business. Now it's your turn to take these steps and carve your path to financial freedom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, Money Masters, and turn on the bell to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until next time, keep mastering your money.